Okay, we're looking at Derek's speed relay. Let's just open this up, see what we got. Okay, looks to be in okay condition. What we're going to do is scrape away the insulation just here on this leg, expose these 3 pins. I've got my multimeter set to a diode, and right, pin 1. Yeah, there we go. I'm getting a short across pins 2 and 3. So you have a short across this transistor here. Let's just check this diode here and see what we get. The diode is okay, it's reading 731. But yes, this beastie here, we're going to pull him out in a second and replace him. Okay, the part has been desoldered and the rivet has been removed. No damage to the board, hasn't overheated, but it was shorted. And there's the new transistor soldered back in. As I say, no board damage. The transistor needs to be riveted back in. Unfortunately, I left my rivet gun on the boat, so I'll use a nut and a bolt to secure that in place, which would just be as good. Okay, board is all repaired. It's wired up to my test rig. First thing we're going to do is test the throttle proximity sensor. So when I put a piece of metal on this on the proximity sensor, the supercharger should engage. So if we just do that, this is my supercharger. It's an LED. It's driven by a relay, and you can hear the relay clicking. So this is the it's the same as this item you sent me here, the throttle position sensor, which I'll test shortly as well. But this is just a cheaper equivalent for test purposes. So that verifies that work. We'll just increase the frequency for my frequency generator, which is the same as the boat accelerating or the engine accelerating. And there you go. I'll reach the relevant RPM. It's engaged. And then as I carry on accelerating, it'll disengage. There you go, it's gone out. But I'm still in the RPM range where I can engage kick down. So, and then if I continue to accelerate, I'm then outside of the kick down range, so it won't let me engage kick down. And then I'll decelerate. It'll drop back into the relevant range and it'll come on. There we go. And then I'll continue decelerating and it'll cut out. So there you go. That is 100% working. What I'll do off camera is I'll check it's sitting, doing that at the right frequencies, but effectively that's fixed. Just make sure your supercharger clutch, which I said you were going to change, has been changed, because if you plug this back in on a faulty supercharger, it's going to damage this board again.